Now I'm going to test your sense of taste. To do this, we will be using a salty flavor and a flavor that's found in tonic water. Before we do any tasting, you need to learn how to use this scale. It goes from the strongest sensation of any kind down to no sensation at all. Choose the word on the scale that describes what you experience or what you remember. You can use your mouse to click on one of the words. Now we're going to start the taste test. First, I'm going to put these gloves on. I'm going to take these sterile applicators and put them into my solutions. Now I'd like you to rinse your mouth 2 times and spit it out in this container. Okay, how strong or intense is that to you? Great. Now I'd like you to rinse your mouth 2 times and spit it out in this container. Great. This time, I'm going to ask you to sip the solution that's in this cup. I want you to hold it in your mouth and swish it around until I tell you to spit it out. Then I'm going to ask you to rate it. Okay? Okay, you can spit it out. Now, rate how intense it is. Okay?